Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to unpublish a Wix website from mobile phone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Wix owner app, and in Wix owner app here is no option to unpublish a Wix website. So we have to use Google Chrome browser on our mobile phone. So open Google Chrome browser and open wix.com and sign into your Wix account, and then select the website, which website you want to unpublish. And now we have to enable desktop view. So tap on this three dot and enable desktop site, and now rotate your phone, select your site first, and then we will rotate our phone. So select the site and you will directly jump into your Wix website dashboard. Once you are in your site dashboard, now rotate your phone and here tap on the search box and type here unpublish. Search for unpublish, and here you will get this settings unpublish site. Just tap on that and you can pinch your fingers to zoom out like this, and next to site is published you will see unpublish option. Now all you have to need, just tap on unpublish and tap on unpublish and your Wix website will be unpublished. So this is how we can do it from mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.